Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add videos to your WordPress website. So search this plugin Easy Video Player, install this one, then activate. After activation, walk cursor to settings, then click on Easy Video Player. And in this page guys, you will see all information which you need about this plugin. And still you need any help or you want to learn something more about this plugin, how to add your video, so just guys you have to comment. I will try to answer it. Otherwise, easy way, just click on this plus icon, search here video. You will see option video press, select it, video press URL, paste a link to the content you want to display on your site. Now here click on video, upload a video file, pick one from your media library or add one with a URL. So this is a short and basic way to add a video in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching.